Ready for a smarter, more secure front door? The Yale Assure Lock series combined with the Yale Access Kit, your phone is now your key. By simply placing the Access Kit module into the back of the Yale Assure Lock, creates the ability to act as your own personal doorman. There's no need to pull your phone out of your pocket or enter your code. The door automatically unlocks and locks. Using the Yale Access app, you have total control over your lock, letting you lock and unlock, check lock status, track visitor trails, customize smart alerts, and create virtual keys for friends, family, or people you trust. When paired with the Yale Connect Bridge, you can manage your lock features remotely, giving you complete peace of mind anytime, anywhere. Keys can be lost or stolen and then easily copied, and the more physical keys you have, the less secure your house is, especially if they fall into the wrong hands. Virtual keys can grant secure access for a few weeks, a few hours, or forever. You decide. Give permanent virtual keys to family members and lose physical keys for good. If you forget your phone or your phone battery dies, unlock using your entry code on the keypad. The Yale Connect Bridge allows you to pair with the leading home assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. So you can use your voice to lock and unlock your door, as well as check lock status. Yale Smart Locks. Smarter than ever, secure as always.